nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it can build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Lockdown Performance. Today, I'm just going to go pick up my partner in another Rx8. So I bought another Series 1, which is pretty much the same colour as the other one, just a little bit newer, maybe a couple of months. And it's registered, does the hot and the cold starts and all that sort of stuff, no worries. So yeah, I've just been driving around with it. Temps at about 79 degrees, oh, sorry, correction, 70 degrees at the moment. It's got a nice sounding exhaust, Magnaflow exhaust system on it. Twin mufflers instead of the single that the other one's got. The other one's a little bit barky, but they're both unique. So with the other one, it's been looked after fairly well. I mean, so is this. Interior wise, this is as good. Engine wise, this has been looked after a lot better. That's my partner. So in regards to performance, this one goes a lot better, and I believe the reason is because the compression's a bit higher, and also the solenoids have been done on this, which on the other Rx8 the solenoids are coming up as an error when I do the OBD scan. So that's the reason why when it's hitting that 6.5 or 7,000 RPM, those solenoids aren't opening those valves, butterflies or whatever they are on the intake, hence not giving you that throw back in the seat feeling, which I've got with this. So yeah, that's where I'm at. So with the other car, I will I've got to change the water pump and thermostat. It started leaking water out of one of the hoses the other day, and one of the belts was stripped as well. That could have been the cause of me hitting the limiter a couple of times and the belt not being tight enough. I assumed it was the water pump, but after taking the water pump off, it's not too bad. The thermostat was RS button, so I've got all the bits and pieces. I've just got to install that onto that car, then take it for another run, and I guess I'll be able to do a better comparison of the two when I do that. So, but as for this Rx8, sounds good, and I'll switch camera view and let you enjoy a little bit of sound. Try not to be annoying, just call out the temps. Coolant temps at 82 at the moment, which is a hell of a lot better than the other Rx8, because that one would have been at sort of mid-90s already. This does go up, it sort of creeps up. The highest I've ever had it is 97, 98, and that's after sitting in a lot of traffic. But I noticed the fans turn on a lot earlier on this car, so maybe that has been programmed into the ECU. I don't know. It's really deep. The sound, I love it. Just got to get in front of this person that's doing 30 Ks. Percy Road. Sounds good to me. 86 degrees. Sitting in the traffic. 21.5 outside. Oil pressure's good. Everything's good. That guy has the right idea, however, it's pretty dangerous doing that around here. A lot of the biggest problem, especially around Brizzy, especially around the area I live in, is people just don't seem to want to sit on the speed limit. They'll sit below it by 30 k's, and then when the light goes amber, put their foot down and do double the speed, which really is annoying. But anyway, we'll get in front of him soon enough. And he's going right, which is good. Just missed out. We might have a bit of a space here. Here we go. Okay. Must be a prank or something. Yeah, anyway guys, I wasn't going to sit there in the traffic waiting for God knows how long for the RBT to finally test everyone. They didn't test me, but I thought I'd just shut the camera off there and then. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to chuck in a couple of clips of me just driving around randomly with the new RX8. Might chuck a few in with the old one as well, and I'll keep you posted. In the near future, I'm sure we'll get some flames going. Sorry for not posting for more than a month, guys. Anyway, take it easy, and I shall see you probably on the next episode. Bye. 92 degrees, first gear. Oh, rev limiter for the first time.